Hey, what's going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Guys, crazy move on the Bitcoin price chart. Look at this, guys. We are going straight up. Since our breakout area, which I had talked about in last video yesterday. So guys, make sure to subscribe. You're watching the best cryptocurrency channel on YouTube, and we are breaking out even more as we speak. However, guys, I'm making this video because I do have to warn you that we have hit our first target here. So I would take profits at this area. That's what I did personally. And that is because a lot of people don't pay attention to Fibonacci levels, right? But you'll have noticed that this is where we bounced off of, okay? And it was also what confirmed the breakout. However, now we just moved past 2 Fibonacci levels without any major pullback, okay? That is too much too quickly, unfortunately. And, it's just part of the normal part of this breakout, because I do think we're going to move higher in the coming weeks. But since our breakout, we have moved since the breakout of the flag pattern, we have moved 15% higher. And since the breakout here above $27,500, which was the confirmation of breakout, we are now up 11%. Okay, so like I said, guys, in coming weeks, we're going to be aiming for a target of right up here at $40,000. Okay, so that is something to look forward to. However, one thing at a time, guys, because a lot of people are going to get a little bit too excited here. And, does it really matter? Well, it depends on how you look at it, right? In the next month or two, we're probably going to be at this $40,000 area. But why not take the profit and re-enter a little bit lower if you can, especially seeing that we are quite extended right now, okay? This doesn't happen very often where you get a 15% move like this in basically 2 days on Bitcoin, okay? And this is blatantly obvious here by the performance. Last 7 days up almost 18%, and we're seeing other cryptos perform quite well, but the main 4 that are performing well are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, which is actually up a massive 28% today. Why is that the case, guys? Well, it's because EDX Markets, which you're probably wondering what the heck is that. It is a institutional crypto platform, okay, only for institutions. This is not for retail people. And isn't it convenient what time they're launching this at, right? Right when BlackRock wants to make an ETF, and also right when the price of Bitcoin is historically very, very low here, guys. Very, very low levels, like we talked about based on the Plan B charts, okay? Extremely low, like we were back in 2015. And it can be seen again here with the 200-week moving average, okay? Extremely low levels here on the 200-week moving average. Of course, now we bounced a bit, but still, guys, this is the very beginning of what's going to be a massive cycle pump, okay? And institutional players pay attention to these type of longer term patterns, and they're getting in at the low prices, okay? Most retail folks are not paying attention to crypto right now. If you are, congratulations, you are smarter than most people, because a lot of people have given up on crypto right now. But when Bitcoin is at $100,000-$200,000, they're going to be wanting to buy back in, okay? You want to do the opposite of that. You want to be selling when it's at $200,000 and then buying on the dip, okay, like these institutions are doing. So EDX Markets, you might be hearing this more, okay? It is a cryptocurrency exchange backed by several major Wall Street firms such as Charles Schwab, Citadel Securities, and Fidelity Digital Assets. Also, Fidelity wants to buy Grayscale, okay? So you're having some of the biggest institutional players in the world, Citadel Securities, okay, basically run the whole US stock market, and they're coming into Bitcoin, they're coming into crypto, okay? So you can imagine. By the way, trading on that platform literally launched today, guys. Today. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, today. Okay? So that is why we saw such a big pump on some of these coins like Bitcoin Cash, and of course Bitcoin itself moving a massive 15% here. It's a $500 billion cryptocurrency. Okay? That is huge, guys. And please, don't miss out on the long term on this, because one day it's not going to be as easy to get 15% moves in 2 days on Bitcoin, because it's going to be such a big multi-trillion-dollar asset, and everybody will know that it's a bad idea to sell their Bitcoin, because there is nothing that is more valuable money and currency than Bitcoin, guys. So just to recap, right now we're breaking out. We did hit our first target. I think it would be a good area to potentially take some profits. If you want to keep your longs open, you can do that, write it up higher. in the next few weeks. If you do want to take some profits now and get back in lower, it's also possible, although a little bit more risky maybe. And after that, guys, we have a beautiful 36% move up to $40,000. I think at that point we'll see a little bit of a pullback again. And keep in mind, guys, when we're at these resistance levels, what usually happens? Well, what usually happens is we come near them, right? We'll probably trade a little bit up and down like this, right? And then boom, blast off again, right? We're going to come up to $40,000. What's going to happen? Maybe come back down a little bit to 36K, something like this, right? And boom, blast off again to our next target at $54,000. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you so much for the support on all these videos. Really means a lot. And you know, we are right now in this bear market pump. Okay, so let's ride this wave up, and when it's time, guys, take profits, wait for that pullback, which will probably be somewhere in the $20,000 range, and then we're gonna ride the next mega cycle pump, guys. This one is gonna be crazy. It's gonna push us to probably $250,000 at minimum, guys. So like I said, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and follow me on Twitter. Check out my technical analysis master course. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Stay safe and have a great day. Destroy that like button. Thanks for watching, everybody.